Miracles of Mind series, lesson number 4. So, what's the lesson number 4 of Miracles of Mind? Your thoughts have a direct impact on your actions and ultimately your life. It is important to realize that your thoughts have a direct impact on the course of your life. You see, the thoughts that you hold in your mind influence the way you feel, and the way you feel determines the actions you take. In turn, your actions create the results you experience in your life. So you see, it's a chain. Your actions have an effect on your feelings and emotions, and your emotions guide your actions, and then your actions give you the results in your life. Could be success, failure, or no progress, or little progress, or massive progress. So it all starts with your mind, and that's how we are discussing the miracles of mind by Earl Nightingale. Okay, next, in turn, when you hold positive, empowering thoughts in your mind, you're more likely to feel confident and inspired. This, in turn, leads to actions that are aligned with your goals and desires. Once you have outlined your goals, your desires, and you are there in charge of your thoughts, you are there in the driver's seat. Thoughts are not leading you, you are leading the thoughts. And what happens? The entire trajectory of your life changes. So it's very important to make use of this tool, which is the mind. You take proactive steps towards your dreams and you attract positive opportunities and experiences into your life. On the other hand, if you hold negative thoughts in your mind, you're more likely to feel anxious, frustrated, hopeless, helpless. And where do you think these emotions will lead you? Don't you think they would be inconsistent with any goals that you have set or any dreams that you're aspiring to achieve in your life? Well, so negative thoughts will do nothing, but they will harm your well-being. They'll harm your entire identity, your life. Negative thoughts will also attract negative experiences and lack of opportunities into your life, then perpetuating a cycle of negativity and limitations. So, what is the good news? That once you are the driver, you are in the driving seat, you take charge of your mind, it will give you miracles. You will reap nothing but success and fulfillment and peace. So, more tomorrow in my next video.